Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a quick walkthrough video on this new 2024 Scout 240 Dorado. This one we have in the sharp gray color with the hull, and then we have the Scout white up on top of the gunnels and accenting throughout. You got stainless steel pop-up cleats throughout. It's got a nice built-in docking light into the rub rail. Real sleek looking. This one has the white powder-coated hardtop on it. It's upgraded. A cool feature in the back here, this one comes equipped with the Seakeeper Ride trim tabs, or automatic trim tabs. Innovative thing with Scout and Seakeeper, really cool. I'll take you on the back, we'll hop up inside, I'll show you some features on the inside. All right, jumping on to the inside of the boat here. First things first, you'll see it's powered by a 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. You got a nice big swim platform back here, all sea decked. You got fresh and raw water washed down in the back with a removable ski pylon. Glass top live well, which is really cool. You also have these benches that pop out from both the stern. Also the side over here. Add some extra seating. Cut it away when you're looking to do some fishing back here. Access to the bilge down here. You got a nice wet bar here. This cooler will slide out to the side. Sink, built-in cutting board here. Miscellaneous storage over there. This seat is also adjustable in the seat back. Flip that either way. Storage down in here. There's a flip-up table on the side. Drinks and snacks if you guys are having lunch. You got twin captain's chairs here. Here at the helm, you'll see it's got a 10-inch Garmin on it. You got the Fusion stereo head with JL audio throughout. A little glove box here, and then you got your digital throttle there. And you'll notice this captain's chair's got a bolster too, which is a nice touch as well. And then over on the passenger side, you got USB ports there for phone charging, little glove box area to put most miscellaneous items, a couple cup holders. This one comes with a full-size head, full head and sink down underneath. Nice fit and finish down there. And you got tons of storage. You got this windscreen that pops out here. You got tons of storage on the helm side console as well. And then jumping up onto the bow, you'll notice everything up here is all upholstered, cushions everywhere, it's super comfortable, really high seat backs, it's nice and deep, feels secure. You got armrests here, storage underneath all the seats, a little nice railing here, which looks sleek and nice to hold on to. And then you also have your anchor locker up front. Yeah, this is the brand new 2024 Scout 240 Dorado. This is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you here soon.